Noyendi itendekero eri kushongora abeegi kurungi omwanya gwihorere aha fiizi eri kubasika Ibanda University niyo answer. Ekirizibwe aba National Council for Higher Education kandi biine intake eya May ahamwe na August. Nibahereza short course certificates ngeya Financial Management, Public Administration and Management, diplomas ngeya Information Technology, Education Primary, degrees ngeya Mass Communication. Imwe abari kwenda konjera aha bitabo biine postgraduate diplomas na masters nka MBA, Education Planning and Administration, Public Administration n'ezindi nyamwingi. Manyahe ebyombeko nibirungi, library na computer lab nebyo mulembe kandi hariho na studio eya radio eyokutendeka abanyamakuru. Okumanya biri kukiraho tushanje ahari www.ibandauniversity.ac.ug ninga tera esimezi. Ibanda University,
hard work for excellence.
It's happy time, Chogelo. Bathing time, Chogelo. Bulira bulungi, Yamwesiga. I feel so nice, Kabinaba. Sing cha 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 cha, Chogelo. Again, cha 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 cha, Chogelo.
Ejini Chogero ekozwe kutabira indwara z'umubiri zona nk'imibuburo, okucweka k'umubiri mu bana hamwe n'abantu abakuru. Amajita ga Chogero nagizira omusayizi zona kandi nagashangwa omu maduka gona omu ihanga. Chogero amasiko g'emibiri yitu.
Ombiri kwije juba.
Ubwo mwana ndemeri dore uko umutwara konkora unoza kushenya amakaga bantu. You are hostan oshabira kanga omushinja ari tarampenzo rarubaje.
Aha nugwe muhane referendum murete.
Abishemwe mutarwana.
Mazara wanje murungi.
No, we no please. Ukuzuna namushanga bakoresha bakuzuna.
Tatazara umukundo.
Banya-Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kari kubaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 20,000 zonka.
Nyine miliyoni gana ezo kwerezi wo murebi wa Kivusi. Yes, buri sande shaha ishatu n'indakika 20 nimba ningabe mitwaro 50 bo munyamugisha otaho mukazano ubwo rukuzanisa shiringi 20,000 zawe zoka buri sande shaha ishatu n'indakika 20 nimba ningabe mitwaro 5 wabona kuzo mukazano imata star 2 ishatu 8 star ishatu star 10 hasha otaho mukazano emirunda yona kome kuzana niwe migishera yongere ko 20,000 zawe stere oziye mitwaro 50 na mutima waya se
Ngweno tarindaho tera star 238 star ishatu star 10 hash oyegito mukazano bwa hati akarone kagambwaho buri hamwe.
Tandikiza bakurunji na simuka program aha TV West. Twegite
TV West nakwakira makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi shaha nibirizo mwabaziyo erizo banaro kubanza hebro nabyo kwa mnana 2026 reka nkusiyeho ebijamto gwa makuru kandi kundagarce ja kwisiya makuru Agacencwire ombwijire
Yamakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinyl singa kwetaga wabwe tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacencwire kireki
umuyaga uruwaye
Ejrayo miyaga nihunga ececerize ebintu muri ntungamo abatura bashobanzirirwe
urubare rusisira umwana gwitu
nembere kumere munonga
omuhandici mukuru nayotombwitira RDC wategegwa obutarwanisa oburwenguzi
mwine ofisi yayo ba RDC
bakansaro muri kabarore nibebuza sente zirukuruga omucayi ca buhinga ahizirukuza.
That one is in a mess. Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinyl singa kwetaga wabwe tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire enjura y'umuyaga nihunga ececerize ntocene msiri yakohakana amatungo yatwara amashomera abiri n'amaju omugombere ya Rukonu West District ya Ntungamo abatura bashobanzirirwe nibashaba government okubaherezo byambi katurebe birukira.
Enjura y'umuyaga nihunga egwira mu kirere cya bushesheri izuba umugombora ya Rukonu West District ya Ntungamo esegera abaturano bacura bwanyuma yo kucecereza ibintu byabo enjurezi ebirejwire mu muyaga na n'urubare kandi bihingwe birumwe ntoke omwana na nendijo misiri byone bisigiro wishe butaka
nyamwe bazanjure guye mu bwe bwa shanki 10 umuyaga urwaye amazuga ashenyuka tuwa ikatimba cyane cyane amabati y'ibirahuri mwere bisaba turenda ngo nibona kama baitu ushemere kureba kuko atugira amabasha nago kutumara tuweza kura kahunga mwe tukoreki
enjure yizire no muyaga mwinji urubare rukiziramo rukatutera kakorogoto turya hatwe inamirire tushobanjirirwe abana bitaho ko batazitwine bishemwe bari mutugirire mbabazi turi kubi.
enjura hona ekohoki n'amatungo agarume mpuno embuzi ente hamana n'enkoko
empunu zafa ezizibyo mushaka embuzi zafa enkoko biri kimwe cyone cyo kiriyo mwisha cyo nakifire na nenjura nangwa zikambukire abenje mukazo mukereni nawe ikambukire yagenda yaho amabati
eshenyera amashomera abiri agarumuka Korogoto Primary School hamwe na Rukonu Primary School kandi tekomeraho esigire yikara ebitara ha Rukonu Health Center ya kashatu na nokcho waya z'amashanyarazi.
Student gwisomiyaga yes konka this is extraordinary really waza muntu waburisha nko muntu wakakorogoto eyindi mutuze norebera kimwe ngo muntu arabatine ngo gampango atarije mukakaza kupaka sahande tarize kurisha abana n'abana tubarishe kushoma
urubare rusisira umwana gwitu ubuto bwa muhogo no bureba ibintu byona birya hansi tinde kisigireho nitushaba government ngo tuyambe nk'abantu bayo nk'abantu bishwekeki
abatura abasisikarirwe ibintu byabo no bashaba government okurabira mu bebembezi babo okubahwera
ngene hate n'iricune nembere kumere munonga etakwete ngakiremwe yo buhunga etakwete ngakiribiri
mwana mutuyamba sobushaho ko family mupango munonga gavumenti tuyamba ebaririre kayo muntu abantu abayine ebahereze cyo kurya konke cyo kuretera kiremo yo buhunga kiremo yo bihimba tibikatuyamba
bijukuru banyamwe neza basibiramizi tine cindateke cyo nanorere tinwine bishe mama ne bafu ne mpunu yanje rirejenzire mbuzi zona zaje nire bijubitenzire ekiyungo umuyaga gucitwire
ebyari 13 nibyo biteganisibwe kigwereze iki
konka hatingereze honore kuyaheza kuntera kahima mugabe Moses honore yanja ngo ungezeho manyisa bakya person LC1 zobona basisikarirwe ibintu byabo bahandika abantu bahandike umbare guryo muri yejoka n'ibintu bisisikire
umugandi abatura mu cyaro cya Cubu umugomboro ya Kisita mu district ya Kakumiro nabo bashobanzirirwe bwa nyuma yo mwejemure okushambura amajuga batura
inzu ndi mama bati kamwe kabambutse garagara hagaze bati misiri mfite mizima yose yashishikaye kandi murakondo umukeye kurusi nishoboye
urutoki rwanjye rwagwire inzu yanjye yabambuka za muhogo zagwa ibihingwa byategwa urubare kine kinyine
Abdul Kamwanga n'abatura abandi nibagira ngo hatano barara hero
ndara hero umuyaga gukiza kashaha 3 gwantere inzu gwatere inzu nasigara hero tinyinaho kurara tinyine cyo kurya n'icyo abana
titwine cyo kurya titwine ho kurara nyene ubwana bwa njobu entoke zihirimire za mpoko za kuko mu itaka nebihimba byone njura yabizinga zinjire byutubere kwese igira ngo nituza kurya
nje yanje yona yashenyagurika yawa na hatitinyi naho kunyama ndiyo ndi kubona bunandi nabana
aba nibatakira office y'inganzi yihanga okubirukanjorana n'ubuhwezi
ati nyonisha bo buyambi kugira ngo mutirukangirire juba turebe hitenje wakwazigizire muna kuraka izindi zajunyuka mwazireba twinaho kurara mutwatireho nitubashaba kuza mutwatireho n'umutima gumwe
abebembezi bashaba abantu kubyara imiti na no kurinda je byo buhangwa
nyina masiko buhereza bwija nibuza kutukolera engere y'ubukolira abandi kandi twine mu prime minister witu ari kuhereza bona aba Uganda yona twina masiko ngu naba basperirwe bintu byabo naza kubakolera
mugezeho musimbe miti ekiyaga ekikututera nago kushangwa twine miti kandi miti mwamurasimba musimbe miti era tugasira emiyembe za vakedo ebira tutangire kiyaga kandi tukashwa tukihamo sente n'abana bitu bakaryaho
gwe turashaba government yajezo kututeraho buryo kureba ngo yatwatiraho akwembera tyabire nunji abantu bari kubi yananka misiri yona taramusoro kwasigiri gweteriri
ahabwa TV West inde Elias Ritugusa na Ambrose nuwaga bakatoto
mwebere abashacho beitu bamakuru abatura mu district ya Chegegwa beterire nduru ahamhandici mukuru w'ekibina echa Patriotic League of Uganda Fadil Twana ahabo buri bwenguzi hobutekire mshece mu district eji abana bajirangu enguze chumba jizintasya n'emituro yabo
Abanyakegegwa bagambire mu kiganiro ningashi baraza yabahagize b'ikibina cya Patriotic League of Uganda ekoriro mu kishayi cyahamurwa omutawne ya Kegegwa kandi kiganiro eki kikirohe 10 z'abantu kurwo mu Kegegwa na heru yayo
Tonga ino musango kuruge 2025 nintonga nitaka yabanyagira tata owemyaka akabaine wirogwe myaka kinana omusejeje ya mugamba ngo amutizita kalime yahandike cyandike kikugamba amugurize ekitalo ho chemani ekitalo ho bataka sikino muntu wena alexeningiro wakwetwa wakibani yaho baitu tubainena kukurugobu bikana sazino wala si wantu kasingo msango wala si tu twagusinga hanu kiegegwa twagusinga omusanya na sazino alimuitaka itaka na alipangisa buli season milioni 5 na tutezezo milioni 5 kitakalia itu
ensonga yanje ni Paris modo sanga abantu 20 baba vetinga baba handika akuvetinga bakiyamwa bagiga abora batine na 10 bakanga kufuna nangwa
Ekiganiro eki kikiromwa abanyishengero ba ministers n'abebembezi ba Patriotic League of Uganda.
I have been preaching about unity in Chegegwa. This
this must be a very strong lesson to our leaders that we must unite. Chegegwa is a unique district. It is a multicultural district. We have all the tribes of Uganda here in Chegegwa. We must deliberately unite.
Our theme for this function today is to fight corruption. Amina. And how are we going to fight it? It is you and me.
Bakoordinata ba PRU omuruchegegwa bashabara bebembezi okwatanisa habo bumwe n'entunguka. Fadil Twara omuhandiki mukuru w'ekibiina kya PLU najya behire okutwara omumisho program za government ngukonka acherekiza obuchoburugwenguzi.
Corruption. Oburugwenguzi. It steals out of our children. Our schools, our roads, our health sectors. We have said no. So fighting corruption is for all of us. It is for citizens.
Hona yorekero kwatwaho ahabwa office ya RDC eremerwa kurwanisa oburugwenguzi omuruchegegwa.
We have your office. Mwine office ya RDC with deputy. Na deputy wawe and the other two assistant RDCs. Nabo abayambi banyu babiri ha district muro. We have the resource office. So why do we cry about corruption? Why would the minister come to identify somebody who has eaten money for roads and yet all this government departments are there?
Gasha kwa Philip Murangira.
Webare Philip Murangira. Abebembezi mu district ya Kamwenge batongwize project ya Miss Marunjo kwera batura omugombore ya Busirba abatura bateganisibwa ibura lya mizi.
Bahima yo kutongoza mizaga abatura batugambira oburemezi obubatwire barabamu ahabwe burarya mizi ombicweka byabo.
Enyuma hembera ya mezi mazime mbere bire rimbi hakuba ubugwire bwo mushijo bwa buraburi bwinje munonga bwa mezi mabi nabana bararugana umwana no kwega kwa bana kura bakuce munonga hako mwana mbire wo kugira ngo yimuka mukasheshe afuna mezi gayi kana mizi marungi yaratambura distance mpango mwanguza kurango ya leta mezi kwikamuka nobwire bwo kuzayishomero bumukwata.
In fact ito nkabatuze tushemerirwe kandi turebere kinko mugisha ugututungire aho kwenyuma ho tutire twine cases kushangana bahamba abana imbaza kutaho kwife cunkateze shayi twahika tureba amisi tugatunjira amiryango cases zo kuhamba abana bato zitucizine akutwalende zitetekanizo kushanga abana ne batwalende zitine ahise balirwe eze shantureba ngo cases change.
Abaturano bajangwa mizaga nigija kubahwera okutambura engendo ningwa barukonere byagana.
From the tank we have the distribution network and the intensification network of about 11 kilometers that is radiating all through the three villages of Bunoka A, Bunoka B and Nyaborama. So this project is designed to serve up to 2,500 people within these three villages of Bunoka A, Bunoka B and Nyaborama.
Ekichi chinemu amaka yihi maganana like 450 households. Amakaga gabiri ngayambwa na ikondo nkibiri enkuru munonga beno na ikondo ezo zibiri zitari kumara so tukwatagine na water for people bakareta hii milioni 3 twareta hii milioni 2 ka district ahasente as government eri kutuhereza mizi twena twakwatanisa twakora mizi gatatu agamizi ngaza kuyamba ebyaro bishatu Bunoga A, Bunoga B, Nyaburama abantu batunga mizi marungi.
Amizaga gombekirwa mugombora ya Busirba kandi gakozwa ba water for people bakwatanise na district ya Kamwenge.
Serving abantu n'amazzi for over 10 hours in a day. Operanti wetunafuma 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Abantu bakyafuna amazzi buli kanaku. Sustainability the water system.
nicyo twijiri twempa office ya RDC o commissioning kureba ngo ekintu kikiri emiliyoni 5 nina zikozire umurimo murungi zikukozire mwebare munonga
ebyarebera Bunoga A Bunoga B na Nyaburama nibyo biri kwija kuganyura mu mizaga kandi miliyoni 500 nizo zikoresiwe okugombeka gasha kwa Anthony Atwine.
Omuganda makuru abashaho abatandika okutendekwa kwabo ahari Mbara Regional Referral Hospital barabura kwerinda mchota shemire kureka batamani aha mwoga gwabo.
Mukuru wa Mbara Regional Referral Hospital yarabura beja batandika okutendekwa rizo bahirwa reri okwerinda okushabe bituga kurga barwire.
Aho kwana niyenda ngo bakimanye turi kutandika twaraga kutunga cyarga kutugo mu matu intari arire kituga yari yakuzi yagiha mu windi nsitekwa kumureba tuma isolating tumuyemo tumushororo mbandi abanze aribyo mu system nejagar kamiyarga kutebye
bona babashabwa no kwerinda okosha ishaha mirimo
kwarana hurumu rwengu na aino mwese munaza kugira mo kosha agwa matsiko gawe korkosha mushobora bwenki wayosha
turi abazire ntuko kubarera mwaka kubaro bahabura kubagambire cyabashemeye bano bakora kandi ngo wakutunge kizibu ashemeye kwija akadushitira office yone nebe yigire
Orukujinano afutendeka abashaho abaningasha medical interns yabashabo kugumisiriza okugambira je barwire kandi no gumana bebuza bukiru kwataho
bari no kwebuza ku mbera zibanze kubanga tebategera abasawa abasinga ko bukugu bari no kugera obulungi n'abalwadde nga tebabakambuwalira ate nga babaho obujjanjabi betaga mu budde obutuufu.
Of course bani bakora emirimu yabo omwe emirimu neberi nyingi biza bamwe bagiramu obulemezi ninga obuzibu bwo kweyinamirira ningasho mu luzungu ekitukweta depression abandi batandika kugiramu obuzibu bwo kubura kubyama kubura otulo.
Mbara Regional Referral Hospital batunga abashaba bari yakutendekwa 93 kandi abantu baza kumara umwaka gumwe bari kutendekwa amakuru agasha kwa Edison Kinene.
Ntuja kumuraho tugaruka na makuru agarukurataho abashaha bari kutendekwa ahari Mbara Regional Referral Hospital bashabo kwetantara okushaba barwire sente
icyo kubanza kirikusingayo no kuriye nguzi okugiha mu rwindi.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy amaizi baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakozesa tekinoloji erispiria eco nabyombekesi cyangana nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga Ankole Craze Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka matumo chidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumuna na wearing ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumba.
Na wampensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensi yona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karungi gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimu white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up noshanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mu ihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel eresra uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City ahiba rukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36 36 33
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko bya mashamera no gwa mutindo rosfo isi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form isi yokushemera kwanje
rose form isi yebiroto birungi.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission.
It's kind of a big thing.
Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
Colgate Charcoal Gentle Clean cleans and polishes teeth for a whiter smile and a naturally fresh and clean mouth. Choose natural. Choose Colgate Charcoal.
Otwiroine chetengo chokushuma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery nizakwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kure ni kugenda omumisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City, improving community health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yakwera otamuyo mumudu nokora echikire wanyo Penkoni. Wanyo Penkoni no shumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Nuenda kuchamuka Penkoni.
Legenda yakini cyo kunywa cyonka.
Penkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Penkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa mutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako.
Tungechupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Penkoni wakinkorire.
Omwishongozi waweririye n'abasuba kweshongorire.
Yawe no chine ruhanga yakukunda ndakukunda. Ifyata ya
Kitaguriye tuletera Kampala omuri Serena Hotel. Ebiro makumesho twukomana n'umwako kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yegwirwa twatandikira kushamererwa. Jishuka ngoshigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka. Ukutaha muri mitware 5 VIP mitware 20 Tebos a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitaneza bamazireyo bishogikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agre Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Crisps JBL kumanya bukukiraho terazura mushoje 8 50 50 nkaga nina
amabasha kanje.
Kurukayo mukahumura muganda makuru district ya Kasese neja kutunga miliyoni rukaga okutungura ebyo buramzo mu district ya Kasese nemyanya ejehingurize. Dorin Katsime omuhandi cho ministry ebyo burambuzi nwayajira makuraga kandi hariho namaskongu echichakorwa ebyo ntasiyo mu ihanga nebija kweyongera.
Aha mukuru go kushendekereza Anthony kushaba ogubiro mu rwahi omurushenye ntungamo abaziki abakozi bagenzi baba district ya ntungamo abakozi ba companies yakoriremo n'abanya-Uganda bona bamusimira abo kugira ubuntu bwa muhira abantu. Anthony kushaba atwirara mukuru w'yamakuru mu district ya ntungamo kandi azikirwe bwanyuma yo kushanga umunja afire
urasite yabo kafero twashanga rume kinjire ekingiro munda twaringurizo maka small hall. Even the other door to the bedroom was also locked. Twaza to reporting na police ya showroom. Both doors umuntu akwakaro kinjiro munda umunyuru eshumuzo kiki behind inside. So twashanga Anthony arranged down on the bed ayeshwekire halfway ali mu vesti ajumiri
unganire na Anthony 2 days to this ariko unkoshoninga ariko njagwe ibindi kugambana babasa kubinyita nkaba amahurire nshasha muronga bwa Anthony we yagiye mu local government ararekire mahurire akagumya mikuto ebiri umwe bakandi bagweta Western Power Media uri kwa Anthony yagumiza mu namenda ingaba mahurire kora mahurire umuringo ogushoborokire
twashanga nsugo kutware eshaga makuru go mutima gwabire inyama yago yabire ekaba thin eke chakuberekira chikumerekira changu kaba kacheka kavera so eshaga mayarabamu twashanga omufuba ati twagira kuri kushara kwiha umutima kushara twashara twiha umutima twashanga hakaba kizubu umutima go gwonka hine MC ekuguho eshagama hati omuside emwe gukanga kweshagama so side yo mutumejo nayo yafa
okurugera hari mukuru w'abakozi bantungamo kushaba akatandika gukora na district ya ntungamo mu 2018 kandi okuyija kuye kukahindura cyangwa ha district
abatuye no bahurira ebyabire birntungamo twashitamire n'umugenzi twikirizana twakora team yo kurwanisa imikorere mibi mu district yitu. Anthony atuyambire munonga omukutereza district payroll aho kwa buri muntu wena ubyenaza kuzana payroll abena araba umukono ya Anthony arukumukorera iba kweta supplier nawe
ati nanaka akuba kweta kasimo ke nange itweta the death gratuity immediately ejo neza kwisha kuba ebuja kutwara hwire bwinji ahubwo turi mu financial ya yenyine yito ejo tuzoje kuchukora cyako mwe naso ne tukuzagamba hatuzaza kumugambaho nubushesha kunke cyubunji ekinkumanya no muntu obira inamazima no muntu obira tarukorapo
abeka abanywani n'abanyabuzare basimire kushaba abo kugira rukundo no kuba umukozi w'amazima.
Anthony ababira byo mushija wanje mu njinka bakyo mu 2015 twatanda kutura hamwe ko mushija no mukazi Anthony yankunda twazara abana bashatu Anthony abira byo mushija mu nji Anthony abira mbere I don't know.
Anthony kamanya 2008 tulega hamwe ya University ya Bishop University twahereze twaza gukora internship aho izo Kigezi twatuli interns ninga abeje babe bari kwegeza mu twatuli abana mwenda azitwe babiri ariko turaruga baramu nitwe twamaze internship.
Reverend Alfred Muhozi oyebembira umukoro gwo kushendekereza kushaba ashabira abantu okwetebeka nasabashiri mu magara genseji
kandi buri muntu omunseji ayine rufuye eyiruhanga yatebekanise kandi ko kamanya miryari nawe n'ejo cyo kuretera abantu binji omwepako omunseji na no kugamba busha nono shango bakirya abo ko bona kutubare kugira ki tubare kubumanya
ubaya babagambiye 20 chapshashe special nyowe konka kumbe ni interesimu ntimwana wanje tindije nanga shota ije abayatakuzaho kwekanda kika 20 atakambikire umwana ogu abagoma mu mutano apolise emyaka y'amaziro mu nsoma dipolise je ngeni pigabura umuntu weno rwo mu nsoma kino mwiso arebe amagarage akore ukore namani cyo asonara umukozi nakora
bamugenza Anthony kushaba akazarwa yabirabira namana byo kwezi kwa mwakaga omwakugwara kumirwe cyane na munana aferira hamya kashatu na munana y'obukuru kandi asigera umukazi omwe nabana babiri babojo gesha kwa Nelson na Imsuwe
webarehe mboze cyane kwata ahakuzika kwa Anthony bari munyamakuru kandi oziciro mu rwahi rushenye ntungamo district reka turebe ebirukufa o ministry y'obyoburambuzi
Echaye chini shangu umurimo wa Fort Patrol kiri hansi y'ubwembezi bwa Kabarore district kandi nekira kutekwa memyoreko ebyemizano nabeshongozi kungaba kansarano bagira ngo sente zo kurugamo tubara kumenya izo rukuza.
That one is in a mess. Abo ensonga ngo tukemera nyumba irakakora toka health education and sports twatika abantu aba members baite bokuratera income management expenditure byona ebyabuhinga na stadium quality stadium if it qualifies tukatunga up to now tukamenya gabuhinga ya collecting sente zinga how it was spent and how it's run.
But from the history itwine n'exano kya buhinga tusangira as council komite yebeyireho ikabita koze imirimo yayo kuko twatugimandate ngirenka council twasanga atayo mu transparency mukoreka sentence kugamtizaniro kana maintenance y'ikizaniro ezokere ngo italbanize district akwa district bitafite sente maintaining y'ikizaniro no kirinda mutindo gwacyo
abembeze nibende cyayi kipangisubwe ubune ntasi ya cheka tandaka kurebuka
so mbigwe ne kitekereze kiri kugamba ngo ikizaniro kino tukatungira omuntu omurungi oraswa kipangisa tukamusetingira standards ezarakitekaho nka district nuko akapangisa ikizaniro kino akachukura kurungi nko kusemeri kukorwa.
Our concern is twashanga ngo management yayo, especially the committees that were handling its business, bakaba byemerize tamu yabe kawayo. So twatekaho concern yo kugira ngo nka district and the deck tuje tutekeho management esiyaka eragumenetware emirimo ya buhingo mwisho kwenange cy'abantu bacenyumirizemo kandi bongere no kucishambiramo no kucikozesa umuringo gutakuza kushuba kuteganisa ngo nke birugireho.
Echayi kikaziturwi heri ya EPDF mu 2020 bwanyuma ya president okuragana sango nikija kombe ko mu 2018 okwika mtindo wo kushitamisa abantu mitware na bitu na ati chikombe kwaga gasha kwa Dorin Nasima. Echayi chini shangu muremuro wa Fort Potro chiri hansi y'ubwembezi bwa Kabarore district kandi nikira kutekwa memyoreko ebyemizano nabeshongozi kungaba kansarano bagira ngo sente zo kurugamo tubara kumenya izo rukuza.
That one is in a mess.
Uyu noreba makuru Agacencwire ahandi ntuje kureba ahambozi hekwatirine n'abahinje.
Okushomesa abahinji b'ekingwa kya bari kwaba kugenderera kubegeso kubine kurinde kingweki barukuza kukibyara cyaba kiriyo mu itaka na no kucisharura kurungi.
Dore tu promoting aho bale kandi bale kitakirimwa ekitwe kitukozesa kukora beer. It is a raw material for making beer. Hano mu Ruwenzori tukoraho n'abalimi abakwingura mu rukaga bayitu abali mbantu koze nabo habwe myaka nka 10 bayitugenzere kwesanga nti ekitongole kyete kya Ebinbev kinabali mimunsi mbuchoke bikwahukana. For example, South Africa, Zambia.
Omushomo gutebekanisibwe ba Enable Uganda okwera abahinji b'ekingweki
kugesa undi kitukote harvest and post harvest handling practices. So tukozera activity training eno yabali bakwingura mu 2025 kurant tukubaha obukugu rundi skills amagezi mu kugesa what we call harvest, threshing, cleaning, winnowing, drying, aspects of moisture, harone zindi quality parameters rundi omutindo gwa bale.
Twina nabana bakusoma singa bale yongeza neto nebyo bugega netubane tuongeza singa batongeza beyi vetukulema kwa bale kugumere ekindi tutwina misiri nituenda hakire kitongole cha bale batusagike batongera mwaka senta oba tutakabire kulema hasizoni babanze batuha kasenta kokupangisa misiri nakabakoze nuko tuge tuleme ekintu kisemere
twarora ngo kutucha bali entaito netulema kubi tutekaniza misiri yetu kuba tukatagisa tutakegere okubagirema hati okutwamara kwega twasaba tujya kulema mu bwingi tujya gukora ibindi twasoma mu musomo twasaba beyi batongezeho hakuba ikindi ubukikuturuka kingi na beya nayo eba nyingi.
Ubwa hati kiremwe ekingwa kya Barne guru mutaro gumwe nakashanju kandi yo kiremwe yembibo eri 15
bale mazire emyaka 20 nengerema ngatandika na siringi 2 ku kutunda bale neka singi bena neka harukumi neka harukumi na 2 bete kinasangire korona nagoba mbale nimba ndiremwe mani ya gangi singante kamwe abakozi ninjuga mukongo.
The challenges that we have got in planting barley, one of it is of hiring lands where we plant it. Secondly, when we are harvesting, it takes much money.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.
Webare Jonan Tsingwire kandi mboze jane kwata abahinja babale mu district ya Kabarore abariyo batende kwa emiringo yo akubasa kwinga kuronji neshijenderwa cyo kwenda ngo babase kuganyirwamo na no kutunga entasi yirireyo reka tumereho ntugaruka naganda makuru.
tuntumura kabozo tuntumure stressi tutumura burwiro konora kabozi oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband komorera tukunywa cyakabozo multivitamin drink tasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nicikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amana masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwata kabozo multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress eco kunywa cyakabozo multivitamin drink nikikorwa bakabozo health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe bipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozo okwetorora ihanga ryona okushubura no kumanya birukiraho 0702 15 81 01
Mami! Wanje sabo? Ugamotia. Ulina kachi? Kagulinzi tekako. Kagulinzi. I want everything, eh? Okay. Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey! Hey, Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial star 165 *5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice? Yes. Juice in me.
Hello.
Ese mwami mukasa.
Mutianeyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenunjiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka?
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Bangambye saa 5.
Nedda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwaki.
Anti rangi gye tusigisa ya mulembe. Nti ne vali y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisaki.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Kusinga gye musiga. Ogwo omutindo ogusasulira sente zonna.
Guli wumite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m, Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m, Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m, and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m, Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, Channel 134 on GoTV.
TV West, Hamena Radio West, Uganda Kumbucha, Frisco Supermarket, Baka Electronics, Agri Motors, Ankole Farmers, Sam's Receipts, JBL, Kumanyabu Kuchiraho, Erasura Mushanju Munanemu, Itanu Zero, Itanu Mwenda, Nkaga Nina.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
That's amazing.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say,
chase that gray away. Surrender today and show your smile, please. The world smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Surrender today, let's see those smiles, please.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ukamotia. Ulina kachi. Kagulinzi tekako. Kagulinzi. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Mutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial star 165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business er busy konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na app ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugendera kimwa shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka. Torukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema. Ekikuru downloading app ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe. Ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe. Wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading app ya numeda okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu emwe ina emwe ishatu. Numeda fast simple built for business.
sanitary pads hamwe na ABC feather sanitary pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro quality pads affordable price pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feather pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feather sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feather sanitary pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Mommy,
yes,
at school everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shuwa Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains.
It's a special goal. Come at the hour, come at the man. This football is from the heavens. What a story this is.
10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on SuperSport. It's on GoTV.
Sibabet kukebet, kubabet kukebet, sibabet kukebet,
ku kebet wewangulire emmotoka yes buli mwezi kebet egaba y'emmotoka sibamane ku kebet wewangulire pikipiki anti ku kebet buli wiiki ofunayo pikipiki.
Kbet and vroom gwe wina kagwira unatelekomya unga ya kibe nga ku mulundi guno ogenda kufuna omukisa oguwangula emmotoka pikipiki miliyoni 2 buli wiiki n'ebirala bingi. Genda ku website yaffe ku kbet.ug. Ku mulundi guno nawe wakapesa ku kantu kwoli aliko yatonyega star 853*5*3*2# ate gwaliko mtyenyiga star 165*4*6#. Betting is for persons 25 years and above. Betting is addictive and can be psychologically harmful.
Kuruka yumka humoro mpaka zihanga eriona hiza amashomera ga primary za National Music Dance and Drama zigurwaho mu butongore rizoba amashomero higana 36 ngo gariyon gahayana kandi ngisha ku maresande yona ahari ganga Boys Primary School omurembo rwiganga omchanga hecha busoga.
Empaka ziyanga ryoneza amashomero ga primary za National Music Dance and Drama zigurwaho mu butongore rizoba aho amashomero garukikigana 36 garabe gahayana rumbi kwa hato bitari mwe na bimwe.
Nyemerire omurembo rwiganga ahari Bishop Wills PTC kandi nitendekero ahari main stage eyempaka za Music Dance and Drama Primaries National Festival empaka ezo rengo rwa primary ezihanga ryona ezebyeshongoro emizano hamwe n'ebitaguro kandi hati zigwaho mutongore izobere ziryo nizigendo misho ayitureba amashomero garukurenga omurigana garukuzetaba umwaka ogu sibekanisiwe ahansi yo mutwe guru kugira ngo okurinde byo buhango mu mashomero okurwanisa kakoko kasirimu hamwe no kutungura empinge yo murembe omujyanga byitu na munonga ecingwa ecekitoje amashomero agajwekire ecanga cha burengero izoba ningashi particularly ecanga chiti cha ankore twinemo amashomero garukuhika mukaga gebembirwe mbara junior school ishomero ryasindire mpakezi aharengwa region ukuratirwe St Helens twine ibanda integrated primary school twine Chinoni integrated primary school twine mbara municipal school hamwe na gandi kandi twine n'amashomero gandi ga Chirmani Kabuganda road na Chivuo Blue twine Mutekidi twine Arua public twine Oasis harimo Clever's origin agogona n'amashomero agotakari bya murisho na munonga cyahika participatinga ombukwatirina na music.
And these very children who are singing about the brand called Toki, they are going to have one in their schools. They are going to be full security because schools have land and they have not been cultivating this out. So once they do this in their schools, it's going to cause food security in the school. It's going to cause for economic empowerment within the schools. Of course, the school will be having more money. The surplus will be sold and, of course, get money in the schools. And, of course, we're looking much at the nutritious avenue and the contents that are in the token.
Tujagumiza munu tukhereza ebirukiraho na mnonga kurgizobero gw'empakezi zigwaho okuhitira chumwe ahizo baryo rwa katano gw'empakezi zirabe nizihendera omutongore kandi omusinguzi orabe arabireho kwasuga engabo yihanga arabe naranjurwa nagandi mashomera garabe gakozirije nangwa nabeji barukuhebwa ebihembo nasigara achiza omurembo rwiganga ahali Bishop Wills Primary PTC omurembo rwiganga.
Papa, please, wherever you are.
Wabere mnonga Elia Chiza. Government eranjiriro kwereza kasese miliyoni rukaga okutunga hebyo burambuzi okutungura hebyo burambuzi omchanga echa kasese.
Dorin Katsima muhandiki mukuru ministry y'ebyo burambuzi nagira ngo ebyo burambuzi n'enshonga kuri omuyanga kandi ayina amasiko ngo kubitungura nikija kwongera antasiya yanga.
The grant, like you already said, Katsese is going to get more than 600 million shillings as a tourism grant under the tourism development program. I think you know that now we plan and budget under the program approach. So the tourism development program came up with an idea of a decentralization grant.
Abalambuzi bano bava mu bitundu ebyenjawulo, so babanguddwa mu misomo egy'enjawulo. Misomo gino kuliko ba first aid, singa omuntu afuna obuvune mu lusozi eyo bamukwata batya, bamujjanjaba batya, era bamutuusa batya eddwaliro mu bwangu.
Sara Ifungu omunyishenjero wa district ya Kasese asimire government ahabwo kwongera ebyokwerinda omu marindiro g'enyamishwa.
For the peace in the Rwenzori, you climb the mountain peacefully. You will not find any fires that they are for rebels or anything. I want to thank the government through President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for the mountain brigade. The brigade that is securing the upper parts of Rwenzori Mountains and also the lower parts of Queen Elizabeth National Park.
Jealously, guard your professional now, love your country, and make sure that you don't shame Uganda Wildlife Authority and Ministry of Tourism.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.
Omakuru ag'ebyemizano tiimu y'omupiira gw'ebigere ya Kitara FC okurwa mu rurembo rwa Hoima batandika kwetebekanisa empaka za Africa za CAF Cup aho bari kwija okuritana na tiimu ya Mogadishu City abiri omukaga by'okwamwenda omwaka ogu aha Chai Hoima Stadium. Abahati batongozaho campaign y'okuguza tickets z'okureba omupiira ogu eziri kwija kuba niziguzibwa shiringi emitwaro 2 eza ordinary na n'emitwaro 5 eza VIP.
Super 8 eka mu semi-finals baitu mu mupiira gutusambire gweba byonna Vipers esoboreke tutwara ekikopo baitu bwembalize na technical etimu yaitu nungi nyo na mugimanyire oso omuntu akwanga mu timu tere nungi so bangambire ekyokubanza kibayire ngu bali mu pre-season kaba na season ehoire niko kyabayire baitu nikijja munongo abokuba timu baineri bata muno timu baineri bata almost mirundi 2 buli wiki negenda kusamba empira Kampala ale kuhikire kuba etaina amani maingi kuingana ne timu zibaire ziwumwire kurungi iyo reason yibampaire ya amani eyo bagamba hanu bayibetekanisa baitu banihiza abahagisi kuwo mpiro gwaliko okutya kuba ni gukingorao kya mukaga oba kya katano ngerere cleaning day bajja kuba ni basako singa etimu yaitu ya Kitara Football Club ejja kuba nebungisa etimu ya Mogadishu City Football Club mu mpaka za CAF Confederation. Emipiira eyo yonna ebiri ejja kuba nesambibwa akisawe kyaitu kya Hoima City Stadium. Omupiira ogukubanza gujja kuba negusambibwa ebiro 6 mukwomwenda kijja kuba kya Sabiti Mogadishu nesamba Kitara Football Club. Kwenda kubasaba abahagezi musobole kuyijja kurora omupiira guno. Etiketi tuina categories 3. Category kubanza ya Sky Rooms. Sky Room ejja kuba milioni 1 eyerimu entebe 12 baite eri VIP mujungu kya ita VIP. Category ya kabiri ye mitwalo 5 ya VIP kandi awo tuina ebikaro 10.
Wabari kuba murebe murungi owamakuru agacentrana gakusyona abantu babazi charity enda kwendeza okurara kurungi hagano ejo gategereza nyenshakare shamshanjuzi hango mugihango na shayibiri zomwebazyo omugacentrire orare kurungi.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
yejumbira omubazi ogwa Ebisdent na Fresh Up dero oyongera kusheka mu bantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga
tungaroni okugerera kimwe shiringi obukikuru 30 omushaha 2 zonka turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya Numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho
okumbereba nekushibaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program okumbereba embogo geza wonywe neza kukora icyo kutekateka mutekora ikizeho icyo gukora gacupa n'ishiringi 10 oburi nkore tuturi nkamahanga gandi muri nkore muri bunyoro kitara muri kigezi ito tuba twine amaka omutawuni enambe nyingi kandi wabotine mu kitafitiganizo kandi tugaruka tugirana no muko mu cyaro tono shanga twina amaka Kampala omusiti twina amaka omutawuni tukutamu Kambarara nkakabare nka Fort Portrom nka Kasese Bushenyi Mubende den tugaruka tugirana amaka tukuzarwa hari ibituru byabazire bitu bwena bana arecho bakweta 1 shobamba mweta butume ugono butume 1 hata roho butume 2 nini kandi roho butume 3 abona abana banje hata kwenda nyawo butume 1 akaza hata hazo butume 2 nini mbere ninganira hona prime minister Katatumba President Katatumba 1 akaza hazaho Katatumba 2 wanyetegereza hati turyo mu Katatumba 3 hati abana ba Katatumba 3 atuba ryo munsi yone every country every continent irumkata omwana wa Katatumba 3 hati nchimanyi ngo izina ndugumayo nabo ndugumayo ruta kora kumabana bo biza bakushanga umurego omutawuni geze ho munonga muvuge mwaba mwine motoka geze ho munonga mutembe abana abo batareza etamu batagire mu cyaro yes echaro ko kubatatire umwana taposa kuchikunda abena amanyangu karije takubase chifumuro kufatagire mu cyaro mwera abena kimanya kitukukasi Jati katuzagarike kwenda katakagire mu cyaro kora musyakaka katakagire mu cyaro kora musya bajaji katakagire mu cyaro kurebende onashindagarika Kampala mazima tagire mu cyaro kibe cyumurumu koka abana mukoreta bakaguma mu tawone bakagarika ishomero muryo no musara ejo nankanejo muriyo n'umushara nanka ya kashatu mugisha wa kashatu tindu wensi wa kashatu tumwebaze wa kashatu nanka wa kashatu na nanka wa kashatu so nanka wa kashatu kuza kunda ibintu byawe byo mutawuni akashoma aine degree ya zaheru ya zo mutawuni konka omanye ngo amuherwe byona aina hakurga amagufagisha nkuru ehibaze kirishe nkuru hari very important ito tukosi abantu ndubazika ukana kintu cyo kutangaza kushanga shonkuru bariyomba muzikura mba mutakitiyo
ngo baze kugira hande ba muzika aho bombekaho ebara kandi ncubasika akatwabirebe nabo cyo making sure ngo abana mabamanyiza kubayisya umucyaro baze kureba bishenkuru bona banyine nkuru kandi bako batari baze kuramusya bishento na bishenkazi abo bako batari baze kureba ente zabo na nyakati ebyo nakwiya batari bareba ko bapasa ku bitayo manye tegerezoba yes nabo cyo imba bana mwe ni mu demanding okureba okumaza omucyaro kuramusya babazeyi kuramusya abanyabuzari banyu kureba amatungo ganyu n'emisiri yanyu konke bya bitari okuma kwasa planninga kubitayo nokwe kubireba iwe abireba